President Emmerson Mnangagwa continues to court controversy after openly embracing key figures associated with alleged corruption, even as political tensions mount across Zimbabwe. Sanabira mashoko buda pankwa ine vanhu vachiti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika is embracing Zvigananda. Aiwa kunyangwe pane political tensions ari kuitika munyika yeZimbabwe. Sanabira mashoko buda pankwa ine kuti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mrau zvizere mubudanyo kwa mchinzi. On Friday evening at State House, Mnangagwa officiated a fundraising auction where a signed football used earlier in the day during the Put Out Golf Challenge at the Royal House Golf Club was bought for a staggering $40,000 by Scotland FC. The football had been signed by the president himself during the event. Scotland FC is owned by businessman and ZANU-PF affiliate Scott Sakupwanya, a figure often linked to controversial gold dealings and corruption allegations. Sakupwanya was joined at the golf event by KUTYA, another powerful and polarizing business figure who is under international sanction for alleged looting of public resources. Mnangagwa's close association with both men was on full display. KUTYA is the son of the soil. Scott is the young man with energy and loyalty. Mnangagwa last said, "We must support our own who are doing great things for the country." Critics, however, view the event as a symbol of how the president continues to reward those accused of siphoning national wealth despite growing public anger over economic hardship and alleged corruption. Both Tagore and Sakupwanya have been repeatedly accused of exploiting Zimbabwe's natural resources and state institutions for personal gain. Their involvement in state-sanctioned deals, especially in the gold and fuel sectors, has attracted sharp scrutiny. Observers say Mnangagwa's decision to highlight and publicly praise such individuals under the guise of charity and sport signals his disregard for mounting pressure on government and to tackle elite corruption. As the tensions continue to rise over political repression, economic decay, and rising inequality, the president's embrace of figures like Sakupwanya and Tagore adds fuel to an already simmering public discontent. Thomas Kwaribwangwa inezvinzi azvinomira zvakanaka mutungamiri wenyika madisplays ari kuita nezvigananda panguva ino aiwa akukonzeresa controversy. Nakume section medu kuti mafunguro enyu kuti pamusoro pechiitiko izvi. Nakume section medu musaona subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.